Hey guys, quick little video about that. It's my 2010 TDV8 Range Rover Sport that yesterday flagged a fault code for the turbo actuators. Turbo actuator B. I have that IRD tool diagnostics, so it gives me the full details of the fault code. Except I didn't know which side turbo actuator B was, so for those of you who might be interested, that's the passenger side in the UK. And I couldn't find any clear videos really on the TDV8 Sport of how to get to the actuators that have seized up and free them off. It's a common fault. I'll put the fault code on the screen, you know, somewhere around here, around about there. So I thought I'd do you a quick little video of the easiest way to get to them that I've found. I know a bunch of people going through the wheel arch don't even jack the car up, but personally I could not see them for love nor money that way, so I jacked the car up, which scares the bejesus out of me. Normally I'm fine getting under cars on axle stands. I have 4 axle stands just under the front end of this one, because I'm very aware that it's 3 ton and has trick air suspension that might try and level itself. So I've taken a bunch of precautions. You can see right now I have 4 axle stands and a jack sitting underneath it. At your own risk, basically. So, like I say, jack it up, take the wheels off both sides. Doesn't matter where the steering wheel's pointed, that's just off to one side because I was trying to see it through the wheel arch before I gave up. And now I'll show you how to see them. Driver's side pretty easy, passenger side the diff's in the way. Bit more difficult, but actually from underneath, by far the easiest way I've seen to get to them. So, I'll take you under the car and we'll go handheld and you can have some shaky cam. Okay, can you see that bright shiny ball sort of center of frame? That is the actuator on the passenger side. So when you get under the car, you want to be looking directly above the drive shaft. That's, oh boy, that's going to be shaky as heck, but hey. Right, that there is drive shaft. That bright shiny ball that just went totally out of focus. Focus. There is the actuator. If I'm really lucky, I can poke at it so you see what you're looking for. Sorry about this, and if it's out of focus I apologise. I am a bit short-sighted, and so I can't see the screen in focus this close up. Anyway, there, right, let's feed this rod up. There we go. It is that guy there. Can you see that guy moving? That's what you're looking for on the passenger side. In terms of where it is, just in front of the anti-roll bar there, more or less in line with where the anti-roll bar crosses the suspension arm, and straight up from there, just inboard of the chassis leg. Just inboard of the diff bracket. That's that big lump of steel you can see right there at the bottom of frame, left of frame. Anyway, that's the thing you're looking for on the passenger side. Driver's side's way easier because there's no drive shaft in the way, prop shaft. Alright, I'll get out from under the car and put everything back together. Okay, this is the driver's side, so you can see that shiny ball that's up there. That's what you're aiming for. Again, it's roughly where the anti-roll bar crosses over the suspension arm, inboard a bit and up past this stuff and up to there. You just need a long sort of hooky thing, and jobs are good. And this side, driver's side, much easier than the passenger side. So, and I would highly recommend going in from underneath, not from in the real wheel arch. And yeah, that's about your lot. Now to slide out from under the car.